Hi everyone, so today we're going to look into creating this U animation that I created in 2019 for 36 days of type. I've had some requests to go over this animation and create a tutorial on it, so yeah, let's get into it. Animation as maybe like 8 seconds. 8, yeah. So for this animation I used Tusker Grotesque, and I think I used the 9800 Super version of it. What we want to do is put the fill to black, and then the stroke can be white. Maybe 5 stroke as well. So let's center this. Okay, so we have our U here, our U letter, and we're going to start creating some scale keyframes, which is going to create the first part of the animation. We're going to start off with a scale keyframe of 100%, and then further down the timeline we'll remove the constraint proportions. We'll put the width of the scale to -50. So at the moment it would go like that. And once it's there, we'll go maybe like 35%, and minus 35. So right now we got this, and then we move it up more. 250, maybe 70, 50. So coming from -35 on the width to 50 and 125. So at the moment it looks like this, and then we'll go to 100%, which we started at. So that will be our loop basically. So we have those right now. We have these keyframes, and now we go into creating some easing for the keyframes. But before we do that, we want to probably add an echo, because we want to see how it looks with the echo when we've added the easing. So we go to Effect, Time, Echo, and we'll keep everything the same, but we'll put 31 echoes and composite to front. So at the moment it's like this. You can even go composite to back, and you'd create something interesting as well. But for this, we're going to go composite to front. So now we're at the stage. We're going to select all these and ease. And right now it's like this, but we want to add some more easing to this. I think what we're going to do is make this a bit slower as well. I'm maybe going to shift this here. This is all about tweaking the easy ease for this. And it's all down to preference as well, how you want it. So I'm just tweaking the scale, and I'm also tweaking the easing until I'm happy with this. Let's leave it like this. So once we have that done, we're going to actually loop this again. So we're going to crop this when the echo finishes. So that's about right. And then we'll copy this and paste it there, and then we've got our loop going on. That's how I ended up making this animation, and I hope this was what you were looking for. If you want to see more, then let me know, give me some suggestions. I'll be happy to cover them. But yeah, this has been this tutorial. Make sure to join the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.